Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Lilac House. My name is Crystal and I have a special video for you today. Happy Dollar Tree Fall Haul, y'all. That's right, I'm going to share with you some amazing finds that I found at the Dollar Tree for the season of fall and a little Halloween too. I make a lot of videos about the Dollar Tree hauls, Dollar Tree organized with me, and recipes. I also share some frugal living tips. Let's get into this. Say it 5 times. Happy Dollar Tree Fall Haul, y'all, video. A few years ago, I discovered the beauty of YouTube, and one of the first videos that I watched was Catherine from Do It on a Dime, and she shared an easy wreath making video for the fall. Well, I did it. I made one and it was okay. But this year I want to redo it. I want to make another one. So I bought a lot of fall floral things. I'm not very crafty, so I don't know the proper names, but I bought a lot of fall flowers for it. So I'm going to show that to you first. This is all for a wreath. Okay, so I bought, this is what I originally made a wreath with 4 years ago. And I bought a bunch because I feel like you can have too much, but you should have more than less when you're making them. And they're just the garlands, and they're really pretty. They had different ones. They had some sparkly leaves. These ones have little gourds on them. Some had pumpkins. They're 5 feet long, and I bought 4. I don't even know if I'll use them, but you can always take them back and exchange it. So I actually have a front porch fall decorate with me coming up, so make sure you subscribe. But this will be part of it, maybe, we'll see. So along with the wreath making stuff, I bought these, both. They come with 2, and they were already made. You could buy like a big ribbon and make one. But they have little pumpkins on them, and I feel like that's very fall and Thanksgiving. And then I got these. These are so pretty. So there's a lighter yellow one, and then a more orangey red color. And then I got these. They are a deeper blue purple color. I liked it for fall. I felt like it would be a good accent. And then I bought these. This is for a lighter accent. I don't know what I'm doing. We'll see though. I think it will look good. And I found these metal baskets, and I got 2 of them for my front porch. They have the little rope on the side, so they're more rustic fall. I think they'll be really cute. And then, because I don't know what I'm doing, but I've seen a lot of YouTube videos, I bought 2 of these to go inside of it, and maybe and then all of these arrangements can go in here as well for a little front porch makeover. I'll film me making it, because I know a lot of the time the reason why we go to the Dollar Tree to make our own crafts, our own wreaths, is because a wreath can cost like $40. So I want to keep it pretty cheap. In fact, this is my wreath thing I bought, and it's a gold color. I really like it. It's kind of small. So I also bought some tape. I don't know where it went, but this is a red wire, and then this is the green. They were kind of hard to find at my Dollar Tree, but I figured the red would maybe go better with instead of green with the fall colors. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. And then just a few more items. I do tend to be minimal when I decorate for holidays. We live in a small house, and I don't like to store a lot of decorations. So if I buy it, I want to use it every year. I want it to match our style. I don't want it to be too cluttered. And to be honest, we've only ever had 2 Halloween decorations and that fall wreath. That's all we've had. And my daughter's growing up, and so she's excited to decorate, and so I bought a few more decorations. Like every other YouTuber, these pumpkins were so cute. They're so much better than the ones last year. Last year everyone was buying them, and I just wasn't into them. The things I do like about these pumpkins are that they are a little bigger. They're soft, so they're like a velvet. And then the stem is already painted gold. It's very pretty. They're pretty pumpkins. They're only $1. They had a bunch of colors. and I went with pink because I already decorate with a lot of blues and greens and yellow in my house. And so I wanted to do a new color, so I went with pink. They had a burgundy, and I'm thinking I might go back to the Dollar Tree and buy some burgundy ones too. They also had glass pumpkins or ceramic pumpkins. I have kids, so this is best for my house because I won't have to worry about them breaking. They're soft. They're just really, really pretty. I'm one of those YouTube people. I'm obsessed with them. They're so gorgeous. But I bought 2. Go get some. Go get some of these pumpkins. Like, this is something you would find at Target or Hobby Lobby. I love doing activities with my kids. I love buying the paint things. And I always love, I'm a sucker for these. These are window decorations. They don't last long in my house. We put them up and then we play with them. And then they had so many of these out this year, and I love these. These would be great for Thanksgiving if you're hosting and you're having a lot of kids come over. You could have a bunch of these, and they had so many. I wanted to buy all of them, but I only bought 2. So we got this one. It says Happy Harvest, and it's one of the paint kits. And then I bought this one, and it was Fall Fever, and it's a pumpkin. My daughter picked them out. Those were the 2 she wanted, but I'll probably go back and buy more. And then I bought 2 Halloween things. I know. So we got this. They had a lot of these out too. This is a Crafter's Square item. It's a little haunted mansion. My daughter is going to paint it, and it's so cute. They had a bunch. They had a witch. They had a ghost. We went for this one. And then my daughter really wanted this, and I had one of these growing up, but it was like a foam material, and you know, when you're little you start picking at it. So my parents still have it, and there's like little picks out of it, little foam missing pieces, but this is what it reminded me of, and so I said yes, we can get the witch for Halloween. It makes a noise. Oh, it's very cute. For $1, we'll probably put it in our candy cauldron or something. And we also bought a ghost. How cute is this? I love it. It's so sweet and cute. So we'll display this around our house. And I want you to know that everything I buy, I use. I don't have a craft room or a YouTube room. These are all things that we're going to use. If I don't use it, I will return it, like the extra flowers. So if you want a review of anything, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here today, and I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved. Bye. Pumpkin spice, hygge, Halloween, fall, crisp leaves, the album Red by Taylor Swift, sweaters, flannel, blankies. I'm just not ready. I'm not ready for it.